Hello, my name is Andrea, and I live with my grandparents, my nana and my papa. This is them, and these are my little twin sisters. Their names are Addison and Arianna. Hi, my baby girls. Next, I'd like to introduce you to my papa. This is Colt, and he's a principal. And then this is my nana, Alice, and she is a doctor. So these are the people that I live with. My parents aren't able to take care of us, so that's why we live with our Nana and Papa. And it's been like that ever since my twin sisters were, I believe, 2 months old. So we're happy with our Nana and Papa. Let's go. This is my Nana's doctor's office. She works here and she has a whole bunch of different clients. She is what you call a GP, or a general practitioner, and she sees everybody for pretty much anything, and then she'll refer you to anybody when she knows kind of what's going on with you. So I love my job because I get to help people and I get to make people feel better, and I hope one day you can find a job that you love and to help people too.
Good morning.
So this is mine and Principal Colt, my papa's school. He used to be a teacher, and now he's the principal of it, and I think it's really cool. But I think it's time to start getting ready for picture day. Let's go. Bye, Papa.
See you at pictures. Hello, ladies.
Hello, Principal Colt. How are you? Hi, Miss Laura. How are you? Good morning. Oh, good morning to you too, Miss Wendy. And good morning to you, Mr. Principal. And good morning to you, Andrea. Morning, and bye to everybody. I'll see you later. It's time for pictures. Let's go, you guys. Come on. Okay, first up we have Aya. Next we have Mikey and Parker and Jade and Penelope. Hello, Carter. Let's go. Good job. Harper and Weston and me, Andrea. Hello. And Luana and August and one of the twins, Archer, and my friend Kelsey. And hey, Brittany. And then the other twin, Otto. And Cindy. And Chelsea. Hi. And there's Kauai. And Chloe. And Sage. And then Miss Wendy. And now my class. Yay! On to the next class. Okay, class, here's Keegan and Kira and Hannah and Dean and Nessa and Brooke and Kazi and Anna and Madison and Jackson and Rose and Margot, and there's River and Sawyer and Audrey and her best friend Aubrey. And there's me, Zoe. Hello. And Whitney. And there's Mali. And Nicole. And there's my sister Katie. Hey, girl. And our amazing teacher, Miss Laura. And here's everybody in my class that I absolutely love. Bye, students. We're going to see you tomorrow at the Christmas concert. Yay, Christmas. And then Christmas break. Woohoo! Oh, Miss Wendy, are you ready to go home? 'Cause I sure am. Let's go. Hi, Miss Laura. Yeah, no, we are going to go home and bake, and then hubby's home tonight. Yay! See you later.
Bell, jingle all the way. Who up fives rather when hurts a bit sway. Hey!
Okay, so now that we have all our ingredients put together, we're going to put it on the table, and my Nana's going to roll it out. I'll go get her. Nana! Okay, so what we're going to do is we're going to push down and kind of knead the dough flatter and flatter and flatter, and then I'm going to go get my roller, and then we're going to roll it really, really flat to about 1/4 of an inch. Okay, so as you see, I have a rolling pin, but it doesn't have to be a rolling pin. It could be a bottle of any sort that's just going to flatten it down and even it out. You're so good at rolling it out, Nana. I love it. It looks all flat and awesome. So now we take a cookie cutter, or in our case, we're going to grab a cup and we're going to cut them in little circles. So make as many circles as you can out of the dough, then put it back together and roll it again and keep doing it until you're out of pretty much dough. And you can use a cup or you can use any type of cookie cutter. Just have fun. Now that our stuff is cut, we're going to put it on a baking sheet and put it in the oven. And then after, we're going to let them cool off. We can put them in the fridge to cool off a little bit faster. And then that's when we start to do the icing.
Can we do the sprinkles?
Yeah, we want to do sprinkles. So while we do the icing, the little ones are going to do the sprinkles. So after we're done putting on the icing and the decorations, we're going to let them just dry. And then you'll get to see this is our end result.
Look how pretty they are.
They do look amazing.
Wow, so pretty.
I hope everyone enjoys them. You all did such a great job. Arianna, I see you taking that cookie. Here you go, Addison. Here you go, Colt. Enjoy. Oh my goodness, Colt. Girls, it's bath time. Oh.
Coming.
This is delicious.
Grandpa, come wash up too.
Oh,
Hey everybody, happy holidays. Hope you guys enjoy your holidays. Whatever you celebrate, make sure that you have a great time. I know with our family we have traditions like we bake cookies and other stuff for the baking to give away to people. We help out with hampers, we go caroling, we look at lights. I think that's it. But if you have anything, enjoy.
Bye.
Bye bye and Merry Christmas. Bye bye.